Hello everyone, my name is Bhargavi. I'm a faculty in zoology. Today I am going to explain you about respiration in short and briefly. Respiration is a process of exchange of gases which takes place by the process of inhalation and exhalation. So the for basic entry of the gases is starts with your external nostril, then the nasal cavity, then passage of the air from the nasal cavity to the through the trachea into the lungs via the pharynx. Here pharynx is a also acts as a entry for the food pipe, where you can see the passage of a food as well as a air simultaneously. Thereby, your air, which is inspired through the nasal cavity, will enters into the bronchi. The bronchi. After that, the bronchi will divided into bronchioles. From the bronchioles, the oxygen will enters into the last part of the respiratory system, which is called as alveoli. So from the alveoli, the exchange of oxygen will takes place into the blood. So here RBC will not involve in the transportation of gases, but it carries the oxygen. That's why when you are in water, you cannot breathe. So this is a process of respiration which takes place, and the inhalation process involves with the relaxation of your diaphragm and the intercostal muscles, thereby creating a less pressure in the lungs, and the entry of oxygen will takes place. Whereas for the exhalation process, there will be the contraction of your intercostal muscles and the diaphragm, and thereby from the carbon dioxide from the bronchioles into the bronchi and into the windpipe through the pharynx. The carbon dioxide will be sent out from the body. So this is the overall process of your respiration, in that is inhalation and exhalation, whereby the relaxation of the lungs increases the intake of oxygen, whereas the contraction of the diaphragm makes sends carbon dioxide from the from the body into the environment. So that is the overall the process of respiration which takes place, and this is a pathway that is showing here: the pharynx and then trachea, or we can call it as a windpipe, and from the windpipe the oxygen enters into the bronchus, or it's also called as bronchi, and then to the bronchioles, then into the alveoli. So like this, the process of respiration takes place with the help of two processes, that is inhalation and exhalation. I hope you guys you understand very well the process of respiration, how the respiration is taking place in the human beings in short and brief. Thank you.